I hope on your template you drew out your grip. We're gonna need that piece. So let's go ahead and cut that out real quick. We're gonna cut that out, put it on some cardboard, strip it until we got the grips on these pieces of strips, and we're gonna glue them on each side of the grip to actually draw. Or an easy way you can do this is that you can measure it out with the ruler. You can just trace it on the ruler. Make sure it's lined up with the top of, the trigger guard, the trigger hole. I had a hiccup that I'm just now realizing. I did not record me putting any of the other details, like this little piece here on this side of the gun, or any of the other details. I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. But the details are simple. To explain, underneath here it's a weird T and F shape. So this little bar up here, and then there's an F around the magazine release that you just make. I also put a very thin strip of cardboard around the mag well, to flare it. Right, as you can see, very thin. Then I added a small little cardboard circle on this side, on the opposite side of the fire selector, and then I did a circle and then 3 little bars to make the fire selector. There's a square notch right here with a little bitty bar going over for the bolt release. Then I folded a piece of cardboard. I cut the top piece short, and then I left the bottom piece, the little piece you're gonna see, like 2 pieces, corrugation, something like that, and I made that little weird shape there, and I glued it onto the gun. I also added some sort of mods, not mods, but some other detailing on the grip. If you want to, you can add some little circles here as well to make it seem like pins into the handguard. Anyway, that's the detailing for that gun. But now we got the barrel to do. If you want to, you can make this an integrated suppressor with like a cardboard tube, or even like a cardboard piece of wrapped up cardboard that you do. You add that on, and then you got like an integrated suppressor. But I don't want mine integratedly suppressed, so I'm gonna make it just straight up barrel. I have a piece of this little tube from like clothes hangers, and I'm gonna add it straight into the gun. Since it's gonna be looking like a free float design, I'm gonna cut out a piece of cardboard that is a big circle, cut a hole in the middle, and then I'm gonna make the barrel that way. Okay, and this is what I came up with. I came up with this circle that'll fit inside the handguard. I put a hole directly in the middle, so the barrel will fit in nicely. And also I'm gonna glue this piece on to the gun, to the barrel, so it can stay in. Make sure it's straight. And also I'm gonna get the other side just as safety. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then we're gonna sit in the gun, like so, if it can fit. And once this fits in, I'm gonna glue it down right after I clean my hot glue gun. And here you guys go. That is the barrel. But now we need to let this dry up. And then I'm gonna put wrap some cardboard around it, so just to make it look nice. All right, and once you got that barrel, you are done with your gun. That is basically all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you learned something new. I forgot to mention you need to put sights on here, but I need to do a tutorial on sights. I couldn't do it because I can't seem to find my rail, but I'm gonna find it. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something useful from this video, even if it's organized very, very poorly. I apologize for that. This is my first time doing a tutorial. Be sure you guys leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section down below, subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the content, if you like some stuff like this, and share to whoever you can, and turn on your post notification bells when you subscribe to the channel so you'll know when I upload. That is all. Check out my other videos. Check out my Instagram as well. Thank you guys for watching. And until next video, stay safe and peace. Have a good one.